Go.
Okay, guys, this is, episode 1 of the additional dwelling unit, a garage conversion. And we're trying to locate where the main sewer line goes through so that we know where to dig. And I like to use this Jenn I Pro. It allows you to put your camera down, and then it allows you to get this wand right here and figure out where the pipe is. So that's what we're gonna do now. We've got it down there. We can kind of see that we're at a joint somewhere. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can find the end of this thing. (2'9". So we're not very far. So what we're gonna do is garage conversion. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick, simple way to tap into the main line, okay? So as you can see down here, we got the main line all uncovered. In a previous episode, we showed you guys how we found this line underground, okay? And now we're gonna tap into this pipe using these couple of little parts. I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay guys, we got our parts here. I'm gonna show you how long you want your pipe to be, okay? So we put that on there and you can see my mark right there. Okay, but also we have to slip this in. So this is gonna look like this. So we want this plus where the pipe goes. So I got that marked out. And we're gonna need 2 of these, and make sure you, okay? Of course you wanna wall here. Grab a piece, all right? This stuff tends to drip and get all over everything, so kind of hold them in place because they will have a tendency to come undone and push apart. Okay, I'm gonna get a rag and wipe this off, and then we'll get back to you. Guys, now we want to put our rubber couplings on here, and I got this WD-40 magic marker here, and I'm just okay, there's one side, and we'll use the pen on this side here. Try this side. Okay, with ease. Okay, so that is what it's gonna look like, guys, before we put it down in the hole. Okay, and now let's hop down in there and I'll show you guys where we're gonna cut. Okay guys, so make sure your sweep is going toward the street. Okay, you don't want it going back toward the house. And you want to put it down in here, and you're going to cut it the size. So there's one side over there, and then this side right here. And now we're going to cut it like that. Around. See that, guys? Oh yeah. Put that one on first, and then put this one on second. Okay. Okay, now we're going to tighten those down with a screwdriver. Finish out the rest. All right, good job. The first video I showed you how to get all your underground plumbing in. And as you can see, we're coming up over here for the sink. We got the electrical running to the island that's gonna be right here. And then we concreted all the stuff back in. You can see it comes over here. We tapped into the main line. And we got our bathroom sink, bathroom toilet, and our bathroom shower. So now our next step is going to be framing, and we're going to show you guys how to put your sound wall up. This wall here is attached to the house. We're going to have to put a sound wall up, some sound racking. We're going to show you that, and we're going to show you how we're going to frame it. We're going to take the garage door out here. We're going to cut in a double French door right here. And I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do that, so stay tuned and please subscribe.